Hi everyone, ngadi Palden Mauro, Konjongkong Marvela Mauro, Basa Hamalki. Ngatray ka menta o choreographer, ha Mumbai, haka channel Sony Super Dancer Chapter 2. A few years back, I was a top 5 finalist for India's Dancing Superstar with all the support that I got from all Meghalaya Dancing Association. All I'm pleading for right now is that you support my contestant Mishti, who is Mishti Sinha, who is participating in Super Dancer Chapter 2. If she wins, I win the Best Choreographer prize. So it'll only bring pride to our city, to our state, Meghalaya. So please, please, please vote for my contestant Mishti Sinha. To vote for her, you can download Sony Live app or you can go online on www.superdancer.sonylive.com. Each ID can give 100 votes. So please, please, please vote for Mishti and make me win. Thank you very much. God bless you, Bon.